Hello everyone, welcome to this video. In this video, I'm going to give you what is inside a Canvas module. Here is a example of a Canvas course. So we're going to work on with what's inside now a module. So a module is a container of all the things that you have inside Canvas. So it is a weekly or it depends upon. However, in my case, in my classes, what I do, so title it with what is the element. So what is the lesson and then the duration of the module. So Q1 stands for quarter one, module one. So as you can see, this is now, I divide this now into one, two, three, four, five. Five parts such as the module objectives, the ignite, which is the lesson, practice activities, WW would be written works, and then PB would be performance based tasks or performance based tasks. Okay, now the objectives is how you're gonna work on. You'll start with objectives. So as you can see, we're not working on the content. However, this is the objective of the module. And then there is a navigation of the previews and the next. So we're gonna go on the next. So we're now working with the Ignite. Now, the Ignite has the lesson or the video or a link that you can work on with your lesson. Next. So another lesson is here that is already made a slide and a link. If this is not working, you can click this one. And another is that I have here also a PDF of a lesson. So you can download that as well when you click this link, or you can maximize the view of this one. So that's one thing that I do. So I created PDF files for my lesson. And then we're going to have an MMR, or what we call this now, your practice activity. So this is how you're gonna work out. So this is one part of my practice activity. My MMR stands for measure my run. So how does it work? How it's a reflective activity. And then I have book activity. So it's some kind of plenty. However, I just select numbers from the book, the reference book that we're using. So this is the activity. And then I have a quiz. So this is now the configuration of the quiz. And then lastly, I have now a discussion where people needs to give their point of view on the question. So that's how it looks like of a module in my class using the Canvas LMS. So you have the navigation and everything. So that's how it works. And this is now the other module that I do have. Still the same pattern so that you can work that out. Okay? I hope you see what's inside a Canvas module that I'm using in the school where I'm teaching. I hope you learned something and I hope you see the flow on how to navigate your Canvas module. Thank you for watching. Have a great day.